let me share with you some great sort of like beat the heat, but also sweat-proof makeup. If, like me, you're going through the menopause or very sporty or also through hot summer months, well, it all starts with skincare. There's a couple of little different tricks that you can do before your makeup to make sure that everything goes well in your skincare, first of all. One of them is actually semi-permanent makeup, I call it, is definitely self-tan, and you can do self-tan on the body, neck and décolleté. You can contour the jawline with it. You can use it in serums, actually. It's got a gorgeous hydrating mist here, Bare by Vogue as well, which is a lovely hydrating serum mist that they do too. So that's like semi-permanent makeup. You can do it the night before, and that sets you up to need less makeup and less complexion products on hot days. But then also in your skincare, to actually get your skin really cool and prepped, then doing things like ice cube massage, cryo massage onto the skin area, or using gel-based moisturizers and hyaluronics or liquid serums. That's a great way, if your skin is sweaty or hot, to actually get skin treatment in. And then look on your makeup for the words long wear. You can search it on the QVC as well. Long wear, waterproof, water resistant. You can use your Ultra Sun products with a tint in them, so that acts like a makeup as well. But also Skin in Motion is designed for perspiration, and that has got bases, but also brilliant. You can use the bases and then throughout the day use the cooling mist, and even keep that in the fridge as well. And when you're using any of your makeup or looking for long wear makeup, I want you to work on your eyebrows, your lashes. So using, like here, long wear mascaras, using eyebrow products. Your eyebrows aren't going to budge when you do them properly, like I show you, which is fantastic. And also on the cheek area, using cheek tints. So actually tints that work on the lip and the cheek area with your pH, or that are gel based, because then they can be reapplied easily throughout the day as well. And then eye area as well, it's got to be long wear. Kajals are fantastic because you can use them as both shadows and liners, and skinny line, as I'm showing you, underneath and inside the upper eyelid, because that really makes your eyes look bigger. And you can smudge them or apply more of them later on during the day to get that smoky eye look to go out on the evening. And altogether, these are all lightweight textures that survive heat, survive perspiration, and make you feel confident and look great all day.